Hi everyone, in today's video we're doing vegetarian cottage pie with cheesy mash. I've peeled and chopped 3 potatoes and I'm going to put these on the hob to boil for around about 20 minutes. Next we're going to chop 1 onion and 1 red pepper. Then we're going to stir fry over a fairly low heat until it's softened, probably take about 5 minutes. Then once that's done we're going to take a mixing bowl and add 1 400g can of chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of basil, about 200g of mushrooms, 400g of green or brown lentils, and the cooked onion and pepper from earlier. Now we're going to give that a really good stir, make sure everything's mixed through. And as always you'll find the full written recipe for this in the description box below the video. Now that's all mixed together, we're just going to set that to one side while we work on the cheesy mash. So we're just going to mash the potato with some butter and try and make sure it's as smooth as possible and there's no lumps. Then we're going to add some cheese. This is cheddar cheese, but you can use any hard cheese, and I'm adding about 3 ounces, but if you want it really cheesy then add a bit more. And then give that a really good stir through. And once that's done I'm just going to move that to one side for a second. This is the perils of working in a tiny kitchen. Now we're going to add the vegetarian cottage pie mixture to a baking dish. And now we're just going to spoon the mashed potato all over the top. And then just smooth it down with the back of a spoon. To give it a bit of a pattern I'm just going to drag a fork across it. It just makes it look a little bit more interesting. We're going to cover this in aluminium foil, shiny side in over, and then bake in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to cook this for around about 50 minutes to an hour, and then take the tin foil off for about the last 10 minutes, just to brown it a little bit. And once it's out of the oven you should have something that looks like this, and it smells really gorgeous. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy meals and recipes. I'll see you next time.